Hi, I'm John Klesnick, founder of Bonnet Pro, and I've been a professional cleaner since 1985. I want to tell you about Surround Omega with Citrus. This product starts off as Ultra, so it has T2H polymers, which are dustless, and they don't change the texture of the carpet. It has our zinc-based odor neutralizers and ProFresh scent, and it also has an antimicrobial, so after you mix it, it won't go bad in your solution tank. You can mix this and a week later it's still fine to use. And what we do is then we add over a cup of grease cutters to it, and on top of that we add a natural citrus solvent, and on top of that we add AFT, which is active film technology, and this helps prevent oily binders from attaching to the fibers. So when you go back to clean, you can use less cleaner and it's easier and faster to perform the cleaning task. So you get a very powerful encapsulating carpet cleaning detergent that's a health rating of 1. It's freeze thaw stable, so it can be shipped in winter environments. And this also comes with our $7 shipping. So anywhere inside the United States it's $7 a case, and 3 cases or more shipped for free. So you're going to find that this is a very high-powered cleaning product that can be used with either hot water extraction as a pre-spray and any type of low moisture cleaning method like Bonnet or CRB or anything else that one would choose. So Omega Citrus will give you the power you need to tackle the tough jobs, and it gives a very pleasant scent which will make your customers happy, and it has the odor neutralizers in it, which will take care of wet carpet smells while you're cleaning and after you're cleaning. So to find out more about Omega Citrus, go to bonnetpro.com and look at the testimonials, and you can see more information there. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.